Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I'm going to demonstrate you step-by-step demo how you can organize work in your team in OpenBOM using team views. So the idea behind team views is simple. Different people in the team might have a different access to the information. So what TeamView allows you to do is to organize this access in the way so some people will have more information access and some other people will have less information access. Very typical situation. Imagine engineer getting access to all information. Procurement department might have access to cost, but some contractor might only want to access data about assembly, but not to have information about manufacturing, engineering, and cost. So this is more or less the idea of OpenBOM Team Views. So every single person will be able to have his own view, but the important thing is that this view will be controlled by the OpenBOM team administrator. And in my specific case, now I'm OpenBOM team administrator. So as this is, you can see it from my team privilege here, team menu. It means that I'm team administrator in OpenBOM. And I do have a BOM, which is a very simple BOM that I created to demonstrate you these capabilities, which has a tree component in this BOM for skateboard, axle, wheel, and board. I also have some information inside coming from ERP part number, cost, contractor type, link to the CAD design quantity. And I would like to create a view which will be used by another contractor. And I would like this contractor, which will be 3D printing contractor, to have only access to this line in this BOM. And I would like him only to get access to CAD design, image, and part number, but I don't want this contractor to have access to my ERP numbers, and I don't want this contractor to have an access to cost and any other information. I want to hide all this information. And also I would like this contractor only to see one line of this BOM, because the others, assembly and standard parts, I need them for engineering and manufacturing, but I don't need this data for this particular contractor. So how can I do it? So first I need to create a view. So I'm creating a view and I'm saying this is the 3D print view. So, and this is view for bill of material. I save this view now. And now I'm going to edit this view because I would like to create a filter and information about what will be visible in this view. So the magic button that can help you to organize any view is called Get Property from BOM. That just brings me all property from this BOM. And I would like to remove everything from this BOM, and I would like only to leave thumbnail, part number, contractor type, and CAD design. Now, remember, I want also to remove two lines from this bill of materials, and I can do it with filters. So filters allows me to put a criteria how data will be filtered in the view. And for this particular thing, I will take contractor type, and I will say I would like to have 3D printing. And I will apply those changes and I will save it. And now I would like to test this view. So as you can see, now I get access to all information in this BOM. And now the view is off. So I will try it by going to 3D view. And that's exactly what I wanted. In this view, I only see CAD design link and I see contractor type, image, and part number. Great, that's exactly what I want. So I accomplished the first step in my requirement to be able to limit information in the view. Now the second question, how can I create a user in my team so this user will be only restricted to this view? So in order to show it, let's switch it back to view is off. I'm getting all this information. Let's go back to my administration team console. So in the team, I'm going to add a new user. So I'm going to add a user with my email, and I will use 3D print. So that would be my account that will be belonging to contractor. And I need to choose the option of permission called by view. So there are 4 different permissions in OpenBOM. No access means you only manually can get access to somebody. Edit, it's obvious. Read only is obvious, but by view is the interesting one. This is the one that will allow you to say what views this user might have access to. So if I'm selecting by view, adding this user, so I'm Oleg, and this is the 3D print account, and I will put my password. Again, I'm creating this account for contractor, and I'm administrator. Now by view, I invited the user, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the what access this user will have, and I will say this user will get access to 3D print view. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign out from this account, and I'm going to sign with the account which is 3D print view. And I'm logging with this account. I'm opening this BOM, and I'm getting access only to this 3D print view because this is the way how I configured this account. So to repeat what we just made, what we did is that I created a BOM with a very specific configuration of the view that can restrict another users to see information in this view, also limited number of columns, and also limited number of rows based on the filter. Then I created the user, and I configured this user to get access with restricted views. And when I am getting to this user, I only can get access to this particular view and not anything else. So that was Oleg with the short step-by-step introduction of how OpenBOM can help you to share information in a very granular form between engineers, manufacturing people, and contractor that needs to get access only to a specific subset of information. Again, OpenBOM Team Views, watch this and see how you can share information in a very efficient way. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.